As leaders in anchor development, we've accelerated its progress over the years. With a little imagination and a lot of drive, we've come up with some of the best solutions that the industry's ever seen. As buildings grow more complex, so does the potential for more errors. This inspired us to create a total system for safer, simpler, virtually fail-proof installations. For blazingly fast installations, we imagined intuitive elements that worked in harmony. So we took away time-consuming steps like hole cleaning. It's a solution we call SafeSet. With all components jointly developed and tested together, SafeSet simply installs to perfection, delivering productivity you'll see instantly and safety that's backed by full system approvals. SafeSet is nothing short of revolutionary. Hilti SafeSet. Systematically better.